On the songwriting front, you mentioned a story about Elton John recording. So he's one of the legendary songwriters. But yeah, you've met him and you know something about the process of his.
Yeah, because he was recording in a studio in Atlanta that I was working with the band that I was producing, and I was in Studio B, he was in Studio A, and this band that I was working with, they were called Jump Little Children, and so he had his assistant come in and ask, "Hey, are you guys Jump Little Children?" Yeah. And then all of a sudden, I couldn't see out into the live room. Elton walked into the thing, and we were getting ready to track, and I'm pressing the button. Yo, where are you guys? What's up? I thought we were going to start this, and no one's responding. I can hear talking. It's like, what's going on? Where are they? Then all of a sudden, they come back in the studio, and they were stunned. I said, "Where were you guys?" Elton John just walked into our session, and he said he's a big fan. He said to come over when we're done and hang out in Studio A. So we did, and he was there with Bernie Taupin. They were working on a song, and we talked there for an hour, and he was talking about recording 2 records a year, and then they'd go on tour, and they'd write and record the whole record in 2 weeks. So Bernie would give him lyrics. Elton would go out and spend 15 minutes writing all the melody. He'd look at his lyrics, and he was doing that day. Bernie was there, and they had a lyric sheet up on the piano. And Elton would go on, and they just record this, and Elton would sit there and play and come up with the song in 15 minutes or so.
Yeah,
there's a great version of, I think, Tiny Dancer where Elton is coming up with it's on YouTube, and he's just coming up with the music right there. And then the band, okay, here's how it goes, and they record it right then. They move on to the next song. It's really incredible.
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah.
There's one here that I've sort of done the other day called Tiny Dancer, which is about Bernie's girlfriend. So I just sort of ran it through and then put 2 verses together, then a middle, then a chorus, and then back to the sort of verse sort of thing. It happens very quickly. It sounds long, but it sort of starts off, blue jean baby, LA lady, seamstress for the band. Heart's mine, pretty eye, you're married.
Okay.
I mean, it's really amazing that
he's looking at just the lyrics.
Yeah, and he's one of the very few people that has the lyrics first and writes the music to it, which to me is far more difficult. 99% of songwriters write the music first, and then they put the melody and lyrics to the finished backing track.
And maybe they write like lyrics, they write like nonsense words kind of thing. And then they figure out from there. Yeah, I don't know what skill that is exactly, but that's incredible. I mean, in that process, he makes it his own.
Yes.